Okay, guys, wanted to do a quick video on how to navigate your Hashflare dashboard. So, you can see, probably the main thing is here, so you can see your current hash rate. Now, if you are, I guess, rebuying or reinvesting every day, then you will see this grow. And over on the right hand side here, you can see that your projections, and this is based on the price of Bitcoin and also the difficulty level of Bitcoin mining at the time. So here's each day the revenue per terahash that you are making. Now, this will also change daily depending on the difficulty of Bitcoin. So what I wanted to show you, if we click in history, you'll be able to see each day your the amount that you're reinvesting. So you can see my initial couple of purchases up here, and basically if I go to the last one, I actually might go a little bit in. So you can see here every day I'm roughly buying about 40 to 30. And down the bottom you'll actually see how much that is in US dollars. So I hope that gives you a quick overview, but basically the two things that you want to see growing, just to give you a reminder, is this one. So this will be your hash rate. The more that grows, then the more payouts you're going to have, more your daily payouts will be. And then you'll also see the revenue forecast, keeping in mind if Bitcoin does drop, that will drop. Like, to give you an idea, this was up over $4,000 probably about 3 weeks ago. No doubt it will go back up, but that's just to give you an idea of how much impact the price of Bitcoin can